Lab-grown human breast milk may be on store shelves in a few years. A North Carolina startup called BioMilk may have whipped up a nutritionally comparable alternative to human breast milk, except this milk isn't produced in a mammary gland, but in a bioreactor. For parents who can't breastfeed or who adopted or used surrogates, having another option for their children besides formula milk could be a game changer. It's also very common for women to not be able to produce enough breast milk on their own. Co-founder and chief science officer of BioMilk, Layla Strickland, ran into her own issues with producing enough milk when she was a new mom in 2009. So when Strickland heard about the first lab-grown burger, developed in 2013, she set her sights on adapting that technology to culture milk-producing cells. Using the same techniques that we've used for decades to grow cells outside the body, we're able to reproduce the behavior these cells have evolved over millions of years, to produce components in quantities that match the baby's needs, Strickland said of her startup's process. Strickland told CNN that it will still take another 3 to 5 years before the first BioMilk product hits the market. But if the product does succeed in getting government approval, BioMilk could have a wide-ranging impact on the formula milk industry and infant nutrition. The WHO maintains that breast milk is the ideal food for infants so that children can develop with the necessary nutrition and antibodies needed to grow healthy and strong. Formula milk is often based on cow's milk, and while it does provide a lot of nutrition for infants, it lacks the complexity of human milk, Strickland says. In comparison, BioMilk's nutritional profile closely resembles that of human milk and has similar proportions of proteins, carbohydrates and fats. BioMilk creates lab-grown human milk from donated breast tissue and milk cells from women in their local community. The bioreactor is meant to mimic the environment of a breast, and once a milk-producing cell culture media is pumped through the reactor, the cells begin to secrete milk. Even though BioMilk is made with human tissue, experts say that it still won't be as good as regular breast milk. Natalie Shanker, a fellow at Imperial College London, says that regular breast milk also includes fatty acids and hormones that contribute to brain development, and which come from the mother's blood.